Hold up.
Oh, hell yeah, you got white.
Wait, let me turn my light on too. I got white too. Shit. Nothing. Oh, you got both. Just tell your mom someone broke into your truck and you caught him.
That's what I should have said, dude. What the fuck? Why did you say that before? Fuck, man, I could have used that.
Babe, shut up, it's recording.
Oh shit. What the fuck are you recording for? Fucking dumbass.
That's not like anybody's gonna see
Caught
it.
and shit.
Babe, nobody's gonna see this. Bye-bye, Emma sticker.
Yeah.
No free ride, gas or ass sticker.
Old Knuckles. Oh yeah, you can't show that to her. You got me smoking.
Yeah, I know. We're not gonna show it to her. I was just recording this for
Dude,
memory.
she don't give a shit. It's just don't do it out in the house. That's what she was saying.
Yeah, so I could do it in the backyard?
No, you can't do it at her house at all. You can get up.
Dude,
She
it
don't
feels
want
like
Will
I'm
to go
trying
to
pull
jail.
Snow off.
She don't want Will to go to jail for it.
Dude, I wish I had a vacuum with me.
Go to the other side.
Alright.
How do you feel about
At
this,
least
love?
it wasn't my door window, dude. This sucks.
Zeth, say hi.
Hey!
Selfie! No,
Hit that switch down there underneath the seat there.
Which
Either
one?
It's just a little lever. Just grab it and pull it towards you.
Which one?
It's the black one right underneath. It twists the seat
I
forward.
can't. Oh,
Look
I
for
see it. It's pulled.
Okay.
Okay, come on, baby. It's cold.
Hit the hazards.
Here, let me do it. Oh, I was gonna do it, babe.